Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set the touch and hold home button to do nothing in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, click on choose default apps and then click on digital assistant app. Now here click on device assistance app and from here select none, and after selecting none, when you will press and hold the home button, it will do nothing. So that's how you can set the touch and hold home button to do nothing in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.